Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2939. Today's date is 23 November 2023. It's almost like a night at 9 p.m. Okay. So what exactly happened today? Well, today I wake up at 8 a.m. Yeah, today I wake up a little bit 8. I started doing my work at almost like a 9:30 p.m. Today's task is that I just have to uh, like make like basically what exactly happened. Okay, so I was actually making a project. This project name is City Skyline. Alright, the entire gameplay, entire recording, the length of entire recording is almost like a 3 hour, which is really difficult. Okay, really difficult to edit. So I separate one hour of like I separate entire gameplay in 1 hour of part. So I have three parts. Okay, so from last 2 days, okay, means yesterday and day before yesterday, I was actually chopping the gaps. Okay, gaps like the gaps means like that in during the recording, there is a gap between one word to each other. I am actually removing those gaps. Okay, so I did file 1, file 2, file 3. All three files are done. Okay, now what I have to do is that I just have to remove the non-essential part of the gameplay, like some of the things that is like some of the things that I talk, which is kind of like something really repetitive, something really that not so important. Okay, so I remove those parts. So I complete the file 1. Okay, file 2 will be done by today. Okay, and file 3 and all those file will be combined, and it will be uploaded till the end of tomorrow. Okay, music and everything. uh I don't really think that it will take that much amount of time, but yeah, it will be done. Okay, it's good. As also while editing I realized that the video pacing was really high, so it's good, it's great. All right, till the end of tomorrow video will be done. That is good. My next project will be uh I'm actually thinking that should I play Assassin's Creed Valhalla. I just play Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Okay. uh yeah, so there's nothing really happened. Okay, that's the whole thing. So should we jump to the question? All right, let's jump to the question. Okay, so communication and listening. Question is, how can I improve my active listening skills? How can I improve my active listening skills? Do listening skills. Okay, listening skills यानी like basically आप जो सुनते हो वो सुनने की एक तरह से शैली. I don't really know is that listening is a kind of like a something really a skill, but is it a skill? Let me tell you one thing now. Okay, so if you wanted to grow in your life, if you wanted to earn money, if you wanted to be like build up, okay, if you wanted to grow, okay, it is really essential to communicate. Okay, communication is the only way that you actually tell that what is exactly your thought process, and you can replicate your action to your thought process, not only thought process through the communication. And most of the time, let me tell you one thing, in our India, in anywhere in the world, okay, most of the time people doesn't really require a kind of like a something really labor. Okay, people require a kind of like a people who has a skill of leadership. What do you mean by that? Okay, so let me tell you one thing ना, बहुत कम लोग होते हैं, like there are almost like a very few people who are wanted to lead. Okay, and what is that is the lead? Okay, lead करना exactly होता क्या है? लीड करना यानी बेसिकली टेकिंग द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, understand your action, understand your team, understand your effort, and you are actually proceed with your skills and talent to replicate your communication through action. Like it's kind of like a something really essential ना, क्योंकि आगे जाके ना क्या, like in the future people does really require a leader, ओके, जो एक पूरे टीम को लीड करे, पूरे लाइक, और एक लीडर बनना इट इज़ रियली एसेंशियल टू हैव अ कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, ओके। कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स का मतलब ये नहीं है कि यू जस्ट हैव टू जस्ट टॉक 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 टॉक, नो। कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स का एक, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स में बातें करना और बातें सुनना, ओके। लाइक बातें करना, आप किस तरह से बात करते हो, किस तरह से अपने थॉट्स को लोगों के सामने दिखाते हो, but like this is all you are doing, this is kind of like something like just 50% is comes from the listening, okay। कम्युनिकेशन स्किल तभी इम्प्रूव हो सकती है जब आप एक अच्छे चीज़ों को जब आप चीज़ों को सुनते हैं, अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं। what exactly is this mean? Is this mean is that कभी कभी there's like I think that in some sort of interviews, okay, interview ask a question, okay, but जो the answer, the interviewer, like interview, I don't know, is kind of like a very different person, okay, जिसका इंटरव्यू है वो आंसर ना वो काफ़ी अलग ही दे देता है, ओके। वो एक तरह से वो एग्जैक्ट आंसर नहीं देता है उस क्वेश्चन का। एंड देयर इज़ ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ थिंग दैट कि वो उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्यों नहीं दे सकता, बिकॉज ही हैज़ सम सॉर्ट ऑफ रीज़न, ओके। ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि लाइक बेसिकली ना क्या होता है कि मान लेते हैं कि आप एक किसी कंट्री के चेयरमैन है या किसी कंट्री के प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, ओके। तो लाइक बेसिकली इज देयर इज़ लाइक कोई भी रिपोर्टर है और उन्होंने आपसे सवाल पूछा कि आपके देश में इतनी गरीबी क्यों है, ओके। तो व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली यू विल से, आप लाइक यू आर द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली यू विल से, ओके। तो आप ये नहीं कह सकते ना, क्योंकि रिपोर्टर के पास कैमरा है, तो आप ये नहीं कह सकते ना कि हमारे देश में लाइक एजुकेशन की सुविधा नहीं है, हमारे देश में चोरी वगैरह, यू कांट से समथिंग लाइक दैट। दोज आर ट्रू, बट यू कांट से समथिंग लाइक दैट बिकॉज those are the thing are actually telecast on the broadcast on the television. So it is really essential to understand कि आप कौन सी भाषा इस्तेमाल करें और वो भाषा का इस्तेमाल किस तरह से प्रेजेंट करें। लाइक जस्ट एन एग्जांपल इज दैट कि आपके देश में इतनी गरीबी क्यों है, सो माई आंसर वुड बी हाँ मेरे देश में गरीबी है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि लाइक देयर आर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ मिस्टेक हैपन इन द पास्ट, और हम उन पास में हुई गलतियों को सुधारने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और आगे जाके हम धीरे धीरे इम्प्रूव करेंगे, ओके। सो दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली आंसर, एक आंसर नहीं कह सकते, क्योंकि अगर आंसर लाइक इफ़ यू वांटेड टू गेट अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली प्रॉपर आंसर, तो उसमें ये होगा ना कि एग्जैक्टली रियल प्रॉब्लम दैट कि हमारे इसमें एजुकेशन नहीं है वगैरह वगैरह, तो इसलिए लोग गरीब है वगैरह, राइट राइट। बट in the reporter you can't say something like that. You have to maintain the pride of your nation because you are the prime minister, as also you have to maintain the pride of you, okay, because you are the leader of that country, okay। तो आप जिस तरह से बात करेंगे वो रेप्लिकेट भी होता है। as also if you gave this answer, reporter do understand, reporter can't say exactly the same question and again, ओके, क्योंकि उसका टाइम होता नहीं है। सो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ थिंग, बट या द क्वेश्चन वाज सेज दैट कि लाइक डू यू हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली अ लिसनिंग स्किल फॉर इम्प्रूविंग द कम्युनिकेशन। आई थिंक दैट कि आई लिसन, yeah, I can listen those things, but I'm not kind of like a something really that kind of like a something really pro, no, nothing really at all. Yeah, I do listen, like if the some people wanted to say something that I wanted to know, yeah, I do listen, but still I'm not there yet, still I'm not kind of like a thing that I'm kind of like a something really good listener. I like there is a some sort of point that I wanted to realize that ki um, like I don't know, at some certain point, okay, like basically there is a thing happened in a Vicky House wedding, okay, in there is a kind of like a some sort of conversation was happened regarding about the AI. And I usually watch so many videos about the AI, so I do have kind of like a something really little bit knowledge about the AI. Okay, so at that time, Badal was arguing, Prachi was arguing with this AI subject, vagara vagara. Okay, so I do have kind of like something related topic to talk, and I think that कि I am actually good at, और like I just think that कि मैं इसमें नहीं क्या इस टॉपिक में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से बात कर सकता हूँ. So during this time, I didn't really listen what exactly the other person was saying. मैं बस अपने दिमाग में यही सोच रहा था कि मैं अपने विचारों को किस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करूँ. आई डेंट रियली लिसन. सो दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ थिंग दैट कि जब एक टॉपिक काफ़ी रिलेटेबल होता है, द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट आई हैव रिगार्डिंग अबाउट दैट टॉपिक वॉज टू मच. ओके, सो एट दैट टाइम I instead of listening the thing that other person says, I usually try to imagine or try to like replicate the how should I supposed to give the answer to that person. So this is exactly the thought process is actually happening inside of me. It shouldn't supposed to be happen, because at that time if there is someone who is actually asking a question or asking whatever it is point वगैरह वगैरह, at that time instead of stuck inside of thought process, I just have to listen what exactly he was saying and then give the answer. Okay, and also one thing is that he when I do have some sort of knowledge about some sort of subject, and then there is a people and they are actually talking about that specific subject, so my mind, my body, everything is uh, wanted to talk about that particular subject, because I think that ki I am kind of like a something really pro. So at that time now this is not good, because of that ki if I talk during the people of conversation, people of like a, or like a people like a like surrounding people, so at that time uh if I talk like if I just talk about that specific subject, I can represent that कि I do have little bit knowledge about that thing. So like basically मैं उन ग्रुप में सबसे शाहाना हूँ उस टॉपिक के बारे में. So this is why I wanted to tell to the people. So I don't know, but this is not supposed to be happen. Okay, as a kind of like a something really a good communicator has to understand what is exactly the person was saying and what is exactly the things that you say. You shouldn't supposed to say kind of like a something really a far big thing. Okay, try not to do that. Okay, if like if the question does really require kind of like a, that particular story, then you have to tell the story. But if the question doesn't really required to talk about kind of like a something really a big thing, then you shouldn't supposed to extend even further. Okay, जैसा क्वेश्चन है उसी तरह से आंसर देने की कोशिश करो. Okay, and if you wanted to dilute the question, then try to do it, but it's kind of like a depend on you how should you present your answer as relate with the question, because sometimes it is also really essential to dilute the answer, because कभी कोई चीज़ें like some people ask something really question that you shouldn't supposed to give the answer, so at that time you just have to dilute the question, dilute the answer regarding to the question वगैरह. So yeah, this is something really happen. Okay, so yeah, I am not there yet to listening skill, but I am actually, yeah. Question: how do I communicate my thoughts and feeling effectively? I do communicate with my thoughts and feeling uh, through this artifact episode. Yeah, it's good, it's great, yes, it's really essential. I don't I'm not actually explaining this thing, but yeah. How do I handle difficult conversation? That is a big thing. Okay, so what is that is the difficult conversation? So there are kind of like a something like different type of conversation. Okay, आप कभी कभी ऐसे होते हैं ना कि आप बंच ऑफ ग्रुप में होते हो. ओके, वहाँ पे एक बंदा होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़बड़ बड़बड़ करता है. अच्छा, like why he was actually talking non-stop? Because एज अ नॉर्मल पीपल ना, ओके, कुछ लोग होते हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा बातें करते हैं और कुछ लोग होते हैं जो बहुत कम बातें करते हैं या बेसिकली उतना ही बात करते हैं जितना ज़रूरी होता है. ऑलराइट. सो इन काइंड ऑफ लाइक बेसिकली किसी भी ग्रुप में वो एक बंदा होता है जो हमेशा बात करता है. ओके, वाई डज ही टॉक? बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि ही वॉन्ट्स टू टॉक, एज ऑल्सो अदर डोंट वॉन्ट टू टॉक. या दूसरे लोग बात करना नहीं चाहते. ओके, एंड लाइक these are kind of like something really different people. So what I'm trying to tell you ना कि डिफ़िकल्ट कम्युनिकेशन को किस तरह से हैंडल करें. ये डिफ़िकल्ट कम्युनिकेशन होता क्या है? डिफ़िकल्ट कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स लाइक दैट कि जहाँ पे आप आंसर नहीं दे पाते हो. ओके, you won't be able to give the answer. As also is that कि you won't be able to you won't be able to get a chance to talk, to give the answer. So that is called like basically अगर आपको चांस मिल ही नहीं रहा है, like basically there is a debate happened in that particular debate, okay, in that particular debate you have kind of like a something really a valuable thoughts, valuable conversation, valuable thoughts inside of your head, and you wanted to represent that, you wanted to present that. Okay, but you don't really get the chance. Okay, is it called something really difficult communication? Yeah, might be. Okay, like in the debate, yes, because in the debate you have to present your thoughts. Okay, but in the normal kind of conversation, if you don't really get kind of like a something really chance, don't really worry, because normal conversation में time की limit नहीं होती है. Whatever you want to talk, you can talk. लेकिन debate में time की limit होती है. Specifically this difficult, wait now, maybe like I don't really understand how do I handle the difficult conversation. I think that ki I like basically I was actually imagine that ki difficult conversation is kind of like thing that ki you shouldn't supposed to give the answer, but might be something really different. Okay, approach difficult conversation with empathy, active listening, and focus on solution. Stay calm, express your thoughts clearly, seek to understand the other person perspective. Finding common ground can help negative thoughts challenging discussion. How do I handle the difficult conversation? Okay, so according to the chat GPT, okay, so difficult conversation किस तरह से handle करें? How do I supposed to handle the difficult conversation? First of all, difficult conversation में like the main thing which is actually represent a difficult conversation is that कि you won't be able to give the answer regarding about the question. Okay, so at that time what should you supposed to do? And why you don't really give the answer? Okay, let me tell you one thing. Some of the information is bit really confidential, as also some of the information is bit really kind of like a something really shouldn't supposed to say. Some of the information is not really meant to say because the truth was really harsh. Okay, so हम हर चीज़ का आंसर नहीं दे पाते. Okay, so that is called something really a difficult conversation or difficult question maybe. So at that time, how should you supposed to do that? Like basically, if there is something that you shouldn't, as a kind of like a something really a good communicator has to understand the gravity of the situation. Okay, means like that कि like you won't be able to give the answer, then most of the time you just tell them कि I won't be able to give the answer regarding about this question because the answer is bit really confidential. Okay, just tell him truth. Okay, so that other person can the understand that कि हाँ चलो ठीक है. If you don't want to say this thing, it's a confidential, then what should you supposed to do is that कि dilute the question with your answer. Might be it will work, बट यूजुअली उससे क्या होता है ना, उससे एक तरह से ना क्या आपकी जो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स काफ़ी पुअर मानी जाती है. लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना कि लाइक से माई एग्जाम्पल इज़ दैट कि आपके देश में इतनी गरीबी क्यों है. ओके, सो इफ़ यू से दैट कि गरीबी है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि लाइक यू कैन डायलूट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग दैट कि हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं वगैरह वगैरह, बट दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग डायलूटेड क्वेश्चन, डायलूटेड आंसर. मैंने उस क्वेश्चन से पीछा छुड़ाना kind of like a something you use a dilute, you are actually diluting your answer towards the question. Okay, yeah, like some of the things are way much really difficult things that, but yeah, try to understand the situation gravity, understand the surrounding and replicate your question. All right, so this is kind of like a something difficult conversation might be. Am I good storyteller? uh am I good storyteller? I like in the artifact episode, I do talk about a lot of things. I do talk about the things that actually happened in my life, in my past, वगैरह वगैरह. I do talk about those things. Okay. So usually I talk. Okay. But most of the time I didn't really listen. I barely even listen my artifact episode. I was actually recording artifact episode for almost like a 7-8 years. Okay. But I haven't really kind of like a like nothing really at all कि मैं खुद के आर्टिफैक्ट एपिसोड सुनूँ वगैरह. नो. सो डू आई एम अ गुड स्टोरी टेलर? एक्चुअली दिस क्वेश्चन उससे पूछना चाहिए जिसने मेरी बातें सुनी है. एंड बेसिकली आई डोंट रियली थिंक दैट कि दैट पर्सन इज एग्जिस्ट. ओके, क्योंकि यूजुअली मैं किसी इंसान के सामने ऐसी बातें तो करता नहीं. ओके, लाइक आई बेयरली इवन टॉक टू द पीपल. यूजुअली फैमिली से तो बहुत कम ही बातें होती हैं. ओके, दोस्तों से थोड़ी बहुत बातें होती है, तो वहाँ पे जस्ट लाइक काइंड ऑफ लाइक सम सॉर्ट ऑफ फन. ओके, जो सीरियस बातें हुई थी, लाइक द लास्ट टाइम आई टॉक अबाउट समथिंग रियली serious kind of like a talk, like artifact kind of like a talk, I talked to the Suraj regarding about that ki career choices and things like that. But उसके बाद I didn't talk to anyone as also. यूजुअली हम ऐसी बातें हैं ना हम अपने सिग्निफिकेंट अदर के साथ ही करते हैं. सिग्निफिकेंट अदर मीन्स लाइक दैट योर पार्टनर, योर गर्लफ्रेंड और योर वाइफ. ओके, बट अदर दैन दैट आप ऐसी बातें किसी के साथ ही नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो माइट बी योर सिग्निफिकेंट अदर will tell that कि you are a good storyteller or not. Okay, but as also like this is kind of like a something really as a normal kind of person. बट अगर आप टीचर है या आप एक तरह से लोगों के सामने एक तरह से खुद को या खुद के वैल्यू को या किसी लाइक बेसिकली एक टीचर होता है जिसके करीब 100-200 लोग सुनते हैं. ओके, तो वहाँ पे आपको अच्छे से स्टोरी टेलिंग आना ज़रूरी है. You have to tell that he what exactly is this thing and then this and that and that and that. So am I good at that? I think I am. Okay, like I don't know, but I think that ki like I'm actually like grade myself according to that ki how am I good storyteller or not. I think I am 65% good storyteller. I'm not really sure about 45%, but I think I am 65%, 35%, sorry, I'm not really sure about the 35%, but I'm actually good at 65%. Okay, without to about storytelling. Next question. Where can I do to become a better communicator? What can I do to become better communicator? So usually communication is actually improve when you talk. Okay, कम्युनिकेशन की कोई लाइक बेसिकली कोई कोर्स नहीं होता या कोई लाइक डेफिनेटली कम्युनिकेशन इज एक्चुअली इम्प्रूव बाय द व्हेन यू कम्युनिकेट विद द पीपल. ओके, सो do I communicate with the people? Actually not. Most of the time I communicate with myself in the artifact episode. Other than that, nothing really at all. Nothing really. Yeah. Self confidence and self esteem. All right. How confidence do I feel in different area of my life? How confident do I feel in different area of my life? Different area of my life, how confident? Okay, so basically this question says that ki what is really the confidence and confidence level till this like rest of the life, like basically the whatever the life that you live, like what is really the confidence? Maybe. Okay, like I this is the question. I just wanted to understand this question properly. Okay, then I can give the answer. Only you can accurately access your confidence level in different area of life. Reflect on your experience, skills, achievements in various aspects such as work, relationship, personal development. Identify area where you feel more confident and those where you may want to build more self assure. Okay, so like let me tell you one thing about my entire entire areas of life. Okay, so during the areas of life, okay, how much confident do I feel? So like I'm actually talking since I know myself. Okay, so usually जब मैं सरस्वती स्कूल में था, when I was start from first standard to fifth standard, first standard to fourth standard, I was just a kid. Okay, I didn't really know. I don't really know. Like I don't really know how am I that person. But at that time, I just know some sort of glimpse of the things on that time. But I didn't really know. Okay, how do I confidence? But I was just a kid over there. Okay, from fifth standard to tenth standard, I was in the Tukdoji Maharaj High School, and what is that the confidence that I have during this time? Well, like basically, like let me tell you one thing. Now, confidence is actually came from the information. Okay, if you have kind of like a something really information regarding about the things and that, then you showcase your confidence. But let me tell you one thing. Now, I was just nothing really at all. Okay, like fifth standard to tenth standard, I didn't really have any confidence regarding about what I wanted to be, what nothing really at all. I just like a kind of like a guy who is actually having a friend, spending a time with friend, just just doing kind of like a something really a normal average kind of like a guy. Yes. So at that time, confidence होना या ना होना वगैरह वगैरह, I don't really knew it. Okay. There is a one thing that I know that ki I think that ki like basically school mein at 5th of September is a teachers day, and usually on that teachers day log like the people, like basically the my friend who are became a teacher and they teach a class. Okay, इट डज़ रिक्वायर लिटिल बिट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, क्योंकि 100 लोगों के सामने जाकर आप सिखाने की कोशिश करते हो, तो इसके लिए आपको कॉन्फिडेंस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. इट डज़ रिक्वायर कॉन्फिडेंस. आई एम नॉट that kind of like I never been a kind of like a something really a teacher who can teach a class, so I didn't really I didn't really have that much confidence. I just at that time I just wanted to be in the group. मैं बस ग्रुप के सामने मैं भीड़ का एक तरह से पार्ट बनना चाहता था, एंड दैट्स इट. ओके, आई नेवर रियली बीन काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली इन स्टेज, कभी भी नहीं, नथिंग रियली एट ऑल. यस. From 11th standard to 12th standard, okay, I was in Yashwant College as a science IT. Okay, so during this 2 year, this is kind of like something really college. Okay, so how do I have kind of like a like basically how much my confidence on that time? At that time I just discovered myself that ki I can imagine a thing a lot. Like basically, I do know when I was in 11th standard, I started designing binary code. Like I just imagine that there is a four friend he's actually kind of like in the mission वगैरह वगैरह. I just like influenced by the movies, because at that time I was so influenced by the Hollywood movies. And I do think about lot about the movies and this and that and that and that, and I just bitterly inspired, and I just create a story inside of my mind regarding about the binary code. Okay. And and just I write those stories वगैरह वगैरह. मैंने like मैंने अपने किताब में लिखी थी, but at that time I just, I don't know, I just have just sort some just at that time I just have just some sort of synopsis about that story. Okay. So there is a one thing that I think that it's kind of like a something really showing the confidence level, that ki, what does I do is that ki, I just I written the synopsis about the story. Okay. Then I went to the Facebook. Okay. And just like copy that synopsis, basically I went to the internet cafe. Okay. I will log in my Facebook account. Okay. And then I search every filmmaker that I know, and I am actually sending my story synopsis to them, that ki, sir, this is the story that I have, and I think that ki, I can able to make a kind of like a something like good film on that movie. Okay, so would you listen this thing? And then I just paste the entire synopsis. I send those send those files, send those synopsis to the more and more, like basically filmmaker, then studios वगैरह वगैरह, बहुत सारे हॉलीवुड बॉलीवुड. बट I think that that is kind of like a something really of confidence. But yeah, that time I do have a little bit of confidence, but not really that much. As also is that कि मैं लड़कियों से भी बात ज़्यादा करता नहीं था. स्टिल आई डू हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग, भीड़ का हिस्सा रहने, लाइक आई जस्ट लव टू बीइंग अ भीड़ का हिस्सा. तो मैं कभी I didn't really went away from my comfort zone, and I just didn't really try anything at all. I just, yeah. So at that time I just nothing really at all. Confidence kabhi like nah. Okay. Then after the 12th I was at the Agnihotri Nagthana Polytechnic School. Okay. And I was there from from 2011 to 2015, sorry 2016, sorry 2000, no 2012, sorry 2011 to 2016. Okay. 6 साल लगे मुझे. Yeah. So during this 6 year, do I have that kind of like a something really confidence in my during this period of time? Well, there is a one thing that I know, like basically confidence is actually came when you have when you actually went away from your, like when you actually try to push yourself away from your comfort zone and try to figure it out in the, you are actually try to put in some sort of figure it out situation, then the confidence is actually work. Like basically at that time your confidence is actually show that ki how much confidence that you have. Okay, the situation is actually telling that. Okay. So during this 6 year, okay, the college life was nothing really at all. Okay, most of the time I was just at home because I was DC failed multiple times. So yeah. Okay. And then most of the time I actually at home, and I do spend time with the friend that I get, like Pintu, Badal, Vaibhav, Vishal वगैरह वगैरह. I do spend most of the time with them, those people. And still I didn't really like face that kind of like a something really a confidence, nothing really at all. I still wanted to be a part of the group, and that's it. What does group does, I just do it. Okay. And at some certain time I do talk, but usually nothing really at all. कुछ भी नहीं था ना ना ना. Okay, there is a one thing that I know, that कि on that period of time I went to Bombay, and I decided that कि I will go to the Devgan production house. Devgan Production House. Devgan is a kind of like some little production house that I can tell my story. So usually, what exactly happened that ki SSC exam was there. Vishal, Badal, Vaibhav, Pintu, everyone is actually going to the Bombay. I also want to go to the Bombay, so I went Bombay with those people. Okay, and then everyone are actually went to their center for study, going like did paper for like filling the paper, वगैरह वगैरह. But I usually went. At that time, I went to the Devgan Production House. I try to talk to the uh, just like a peon over there. He says that he will not like he's not he not allow me to go inside that, and I just gave up that moment. Yeah, at that time I realized that my confidence level is nothing really at all because nah. As also I went again. Okay, like after I like in 2015, after like basically at the last year of my diploma, I was failing several subjects, and at that time I just completely give up. At that time I realized that I wanted to be a filmmaker. Okay, so like this time I went for a couple of days. Okay, and I went alone to the Bombay. I stay at like basically my atya was there, lived there, so I went there and lived. I went to the Bombay and just I look for the multiple production house that I do that. Like I didn't tell my atya that I am actually came to Bombay just for kind of like something really finding the production वगैरह वगैरह. No, I just like I went there just for kind of like a things that क्या मैं कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं. I just wanted to know that will I be able to do that thing or not. So but at that time it's still I just face that yeah, at that time I feel that yeah, I do have a little bit of confidence, like I can figure it out by my own in the big city, which is really good. But still I give up so easily. No, I didn't really give up, but I just understand the practicality. Okay, like आपकी thought process and practical real life में किस तरह कितना difference होता है. I realize that thing. Okay, so yeah, so during this time this is kind of like a something really confidence. Okay, but then after that in 2016 to 2020, okay, then 4 year of my life, I think that I show my confidence a lot. Like basically, like when I used to do my work, like I was actually doing a job, and during the job, it is like a, like basically like there is a some sort of responsibility in my head, in my shoulder. So I wanted to, I want to just like basically मैं उस responsibility को निभाना चाहता था, and for that responsibility you do really require a confidence. And yeah, at that time I definitely went away from my comfort zone because I was actually living at Khaparkheda. Okay, and I was living alone. Everything is actually handled by myself. खाना पानी वो किस तरह से जॉब में किस तरह से सिचुएशन को हैंडल करना है वगैरह वगैरह. Okay, as also finding another job. Like during this 4 year of my life, I realized a lot, and mostly is that I went to some sort of situation that I never been in my entire life. Okay, but this 4 year it taught me everything that how should I supposed to talk to the people, understand people, then किस तरह से उनसे बात करनी है, किस तरह से चीज़ों को understand करना है. Lot of thing I understand in this last four in this 2016 2020. I just realized a lot. बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने बहुत गलतियाँ भी की. I make a lot of mistakes. Okay, and I learn from that mistakes too. Okay, when I went to PMI, it's a lot of things. So confidence, yes, at that time I definitely show my confidence. Okay, and I realize that कि usually जब मैं comfort zone से बाहर होता हूँ तब confidence really required. Okay, confidence आपको survive करता है, not only survive but as also confidence आपको एक तरह से सहारा देता है. आपको like basically you are actually fighting with all those peoples. Okay, क्योंकि आप जब घर से बाहर होते हो तब रियलाइज़ होता है कि दुनिया कितनी कमी होती है, और इन कमीनों लोगों के बीच में रहकर आप खुद को किस तरह से ग्रो करना पड़ता है, फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्पज यू डू रियली रिक्वायर्ड अ कॉन्फिडेंस। एंड आई डू फील दैट कि हाँ मेरे में कॉन्फिडेंस है। इन दैट लास्ट 4 year आई जस्ट रियलाइज दैट कि आई डू हैव कॉन्फिडेंस। And then after the COVID, okay, then 2022 till now, आई थिंक दैट कि आई एम यूजिंग माई कॉन्फिडेंस। ओके, अभी मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है, लिटरली अ लॉट। ओके, लाइक बेसिकली एट दिस टाइम द थिंग्स दैट आई एम डूइंग काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग लाइक यूट्यूब, हर लोग, हर इंसान, इवन माई फ्रेंड थिंग्स दैट कि आई एम एक्चुअली वेस्टिंग माई टाइम। बट तभी भी फिर भी आई डू मेक अ वीडियो। एंड वाई आई मेक वीडियो? बिकॉज आई डू हैव अ कॉन्फिडेंस रिगार्डिंग अबाउट माई लाइफ दैट कि आगे जाके चीज़ें अच्छी होगी। ओके, विश्वास और विश्वास के साथ कॉन्फिडेंस मेरे पास है, इसलिए मैं इस चीज़ों को कर रहा हूँ। सो या लाइक ऑन दिस एग्जैक्ट मोमेंट ऑफ माई लाइफ आई डू हैव अ कॉन्फिडेंस अ लॉट। बट आगे जाके और भी ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस की मुझे ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, एंड I will definitely have. Okay, so yeah, I think like this is the kind of like areas of my life that I show my confidence. All right. Yeah. So this is it. I'm actually talking for almost like a 41 minute. All right. So yeah, this is it. Thank you.